Let's explore an element that has 10 protons and 10 neutrons. First, recall that the number of protons, also known as the atomic number, determines which element we're dealing with. Looking at the periodic table, we can see that an element with 10 protons is neon, symbol Ne. Here it is, atomic number 10. Let's visualize the structure of this neon atom. In the nucleus, we have 10 protons and 10 neutrons. Around the nucleus, we have 10 electrons arranged in 2 shells, 2 in the inner shell and 8 in the outer shell. To find the mass number of this isotope, we add the number of protons and neutrons together. 10 protons plus 10 neutrons equals 20. Therefore, this specific isotope of neon is written as neon 20, or in scientific notation as neon 20-10. In this notation, the superscript 20 represents the mass number, while the subscript 10 represents the atomic number. This particular isotope of neon is actually the most common and stable form found in nature.